How to set up Discord's rule verification. Hey everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you guys how you can easily turn on the rule screening on your Discord server. So what happens is when people try to join your Discord server, they will be greeted with a set of rules of your Discord server, which they will have to agree with in order to join your server. So if you want to set that up, go to discord.com or your app, and then you'll find your server right here. Go to your server settings by clicking on the server name first and then heading over to server settings. Now, on the left side of your screen, you'll have different options to customize your server, like your engagements, your boost perks, emojis, stickers, soundboard, and people with their different roles, invites, and right below that, you have access. Click on access. And as you can see here, the access is invite only for now. People can apply to join, or if you set this to discoverable, people will be able to find a server publicly. Now, all you have to do here is turn on this option called server rules. Turn this one on, and you'll see a few examples right here. So go ahead and click on these to set up some rules. And once you've set up your rule, all you have to do now is go ahead and save changes. Click on Save Changes. Now you can see a preview of your server rules. So when people join, they need to have a verified email and they will see all of the rules. They'll have to click on I have agreed to the rules and then click on Submit. Once they've agreed to the rules, they should be able to join your Discord server. And that's how you basically turn on the rule screening on your Discord. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one.